Well, okay, here's some progress. I've been away for 2 weeks. Looks like we got our roof deck going. And we'll go in there and take a peek. It's lunchtime. And we got walls. Couple windows. Got another order of concrete hollow block. Looking good. Nice window here. Oh, almost fall over. So what we got happening, this window here, this is the dining area.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Good afternoon. Nice big window there. And this is the maid's room. She's got a window up here. Her bedroom. And if we go around over here, there'll be a laundry out here. This is the bathroom for the maid's quarters. And this is the driver's room. And this is the mechanical room. We got our 3 fuse panels. I'm assuming, I don't know, we would call that 2 sub panels and 1 main panel. I wonder what the inside of these things look like. And that's that. We'll get explanations on this at some point in time, but I think, if I heard correctly, yeah, I'm not sure. I think maybe all the outlets are on one panel and all the fixtures are on another, maybe, something like that. I don't really remember. So in here we'll have water treatment, the electrical panel, and the batteries for the solar panels. I think this would be the, oh, that's conduit for the electrical. That's what that is. Electrical service. Just like so. I believe there's a window here. Yeah, I can't remember. I'll have to look from the inside what that area is. So this is the entry way. This would be the front of the house, the entryway. I don't think there's a window here. I just don't remember. We'll figure it out eventually. Well, one thing interesting here in the Philippines is kind of common, but look how high these electrical panels are. Electrical panels, excuse me, look how high these electrical outlets are. This is just below my hip height. And kind of like, why not? Why make people bend over so far to plug things in? Here is the kitchen area. It's going to be the kitchen sink right here. Kitchen island. Range. We're going to have a steam oven and a built-in coffee maker, and this is a pantry. a shut off for the kitchen sink. Well, looking good. Let's see what the upstairs looks like. So this, by the way, here, I'm standing in the dining area. This is what we call a dirty kitchen in the Philippines, and so there will be a kitchen out here, and that's outdoor cooking, and it's nice for stinky cooking, fish, stuff like that. I don't see any water supply out here, but I'll talk to the plumber, electrician about that. I know he's got it figured in here somewhere. So these are the stairs I'll be coming up to right about here, and this is a study right where these rebars are. I'm not sure what we're going to be studying, but small room, call it something, we call it a study. And the rest of this will be the roof deck. You see, they just poured the cement today. Lunchtime now. We'll have round columns up here. And we got a little bit more view today than I thought we would for some reason. It's not too bad to look at.